When you gaze into a mirror, the only things you see are your reflection and a limited area around you. However, when you look out a window, the view can be almost endless. The whole purpose of education is to turn mirrors into windows. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning, friends. I am Kriti, a student of class 9 studying in the PSBB Millennium School, and I am here to talk on the topic school education today and tomorrow. 10 years of school education, 2 years of intermediate education, and 4 years of engineering education. This is exactly what the life of a student is today. It is a general belief that we get educated in schools and colleges. But are we really getting educated? Do we know the actual meaning of true education? Do we really know the meaning of education? No, I don't think we do. Today, nowadays, students are getting trained intellectually, but not morally, thanks to the present education system. Intellectual education influences the head, whereas moral education influences the heart. True education is training of both head and heart. The inquisitive mind, the intuitive heart, the sensitive spirit, and the searching conscience should all be developed. The importance of school education lies in the fact that the children of today will become adult citizens of tomorrow. The future and growth of any country definitely depends upon the present school education system. It definitely does. Let me throw this question at everyone present here today. Is the present school education system making minds and not careers? Is the present school education system kindling a fire and not filling a vessel? Is the present school education system in India truly turning mirrors into windows? Today, there is a big void between quality education and quality students. Vital dynamism, intellectual efficiency, and spiritual direction. These three things together constitute the proper aim of education. If today we are unsatisfied with our education system, it is because we lay stress on one or the other, but not all these three things together. 1 out of every 3 graduates in India are unemployed. Mere education qualifications are no evidence of genuine intelligence. Rather, they are a certificate of one's misfortune at having dedicated much time, energy, and money in amassing information which actually has no intrinsic value. To me, human intelligence is richer and more dynamic than what we have been led to believe by formal academic education. Fostering creativity and critical thinking has always been a big educational challenge. But the sad part is, it still remains a challenge today with the tech-savvy education system in our country. Students are confined to think inside the 4 walls of a classroom. Students are basically confined to rote memory, thinking out of the box, questioning why, answering out of the book. All this is hardly encouraged. At times, this even curbs the creativity of the child. With this system of education, students feel that passing their standard 12 board exams is the end of the race. This is a misconception, as school is only the path and not the point. But with all its faults, the Indian school education system still stands tall. Indians are known for their noteworthy contributions in the field of science and technology, and I am sure this credit goes to the strong educational foundation. E-books, audiovisuals, smart boards, smart classrooms, all of these have replaced Goddess Saraswati. I feel that after competing and successfully completing your education in this system, you will be able to survive the harshest moments life has to throw at you. School education tomorrow should feed, challenge, and nurture the young, innovative, and creative minds of students. Education is now defined as the overall development of the personality of a child, intellectually, physically, morally, spiritually, and socially. My dream for tomorrow is to see this definition of education come true. Education should not be a business product or system. Rather, it should develop a sense of dignity, self-respect, and self-reliance among students. I feel that we should have a nation where education, along with value systems, is not denied to any meritorious candidate on the basis of societal or economic backgrounds. As a student of today, My dream for tomorrow's school education system is Indian values, global vision. Thank you.